Unboxing the Box, a deep dive into CrossFit culture. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines fitness with language. The meaning of the phrase, box, in the context of CrossFit gyms. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or curious about English language nuances, this video will shed light on why a CrossFit gym is often called a box, and what it signifies in the broader fitness community. So, let's get started and unpack the box together. Before we delve into the term, box, it's essential to understand what CrossFit is. CrossFit is a high-intensity fitness program that incorporates elements from several sports and types of exercise. It's known for its community aspect, diverse workouts, and the emphasis on functional movements performed at high intensity. CrossFit workouts include a mix of aerobic exercise, bodyweight exercises, and Olympic weightlifting. The goal is to improve overall fitness, strength, and endurance. Now, onto the main topic. Why is a CrossFit gym called a box? Unlike traditional gyms that are often filled with machines and mirrors, CrossFit gyms are typically more minimalist. They are usually housed in simple, open-plan warehouses or industrial spaces. This minimalist setup resembles a large box, hence the nickname. The term reflects not just the physical space but also the community and ethos of CrossFit. It's about getting back to basics, focusing on functional fitness without the frills of a conventional gym. The box is more than just a space, it represents the heart of the CrossFit community. It's where people come together to challenge themselves, support each other, and share in the journey towards better fitness and health. Calling a CrossFit gym a box underscores the importance of community, simplicity, and functionality in CrossFit culture. It's a term of endearment that signifies belonging to a close-knit community with shared values and goals. I hope this exploration of the term box in the context of CrossFit has been enlightening. Understanding the language we use around fitness can enrich our appreciation of the culture and community it fosters. Remember, whether you're stepping into a box for the first time or are a seasoned CrossFit enthusiast, you're part of a global community that values strength, endurance, and, most importantly, support and camaraderie. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and fitness journey, inside and outside the box.